Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to do like a full glam drugstore makeup tutorial for back to school and everything. So it's affordable and you can look great on a budget as well. So let's go ahead and hop into the tutorial. So we're going all out today. I'm using primer, and normally you guys know I don't use primer. So I'm going to use the Colourpop All-Star Primer. This is really nice to blur out your pores if you have enlarged pores like me. Now as for foundation, I'm going to go ahead and use the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. This is an awesome foundation, you guys. If you want full coverage and something that actually lasts a really long time and has a beautiful finish, this is the foundation for you. Okay, so I already have my beauty blender. I'm just going to pump this on the back of my hand and start applying it. I just love the finish of this foundation, you guys. I think it looks so beautiful. So now for concealer, I'm going to go ahead and use the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer. Mine is in the shade Light, and of course just putting this underneath the eyes and anywhere else I need to conceal. So if you guys haven't heard of Flower Beauty, you can actually get it from Ulta Beauty, and I highly recommend this concealer, you guys. It is so nice. It does not crease under the eyes if you ever have issues with that. So I love this concealer. I think it's so good, and it has great coverage and everything too. Okay, like how beautiful does the base look, you guys? Like I think the foundation and the concealer combined make for a beautiful combo. So actually, you guys, also I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. I wanted to mention that, well, today is Tuesday, but by the time this video goes up, which will be tomorrow, Wednesday, my giveaway will be over and I'll have chosen a winner, you guys. So definitely be sure to go check out my Instagram for the winner. I'll be posting it on there. But anyway, I just kind of wanted to thank everyone who did enter and all my new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to the fam. Like, I hope you enjoy all my future content and everything. I just think giveaways are so fun and just a great way to kind of give back to you guys and also show you guys my appreciation. So I thought it was really fun, and definitely, you know, be on the lookout for more giveaways because there will definitely be more giveaways in the future. So definitely stay tuned for that. So now that I look like a ghost, I'm gonna dust all this off, and then we can start applying the face products. So when I do have like a full coverage face going on, I do like to set it right after, just so everything can, you know, kind of help sink into the skin and melt and not be so matte and kind of cakey. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Colourpop setting spray and just give this a quick spritz. Does anyone else just like love setting sprays? I love them. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Essence Eyebrow Pencil. This is like their little cheapy one, and it's in the shade Dark Chocolate. I just wanted to kind of try it out. I don't know if it's any good or anything, but just wanted to try it out for this video. I ran out of my NYX Micro Brow Pencil, so if this doesn't work out, definitely try the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. It's so good. This pencil, you guys, is actually working so well. I'm like actually really impressed. I have not used a brow pencil where you actually have to sharpen them in a very long time. So I'm so used to, you know, like the micro brow pencil where you just twist it up and you're good to go. So it just feels weird applying it with a pencil again, but this is actually working so well, and I'm really actually pleasantly surprised. And I don't remember how much this costed, but it was probably like $2 because Essence is so affordable. Alright, so brows are actually looking quite nice. I honestly did not expect it to go that well, but pleasantly surprised with that. So now we're gonna go ahead and move on to bronzer, and one of my favorite bronzers is the Colourpop Afternoon Delight Pressed Powder Bronzer. Love this stuff. Just gonna go ahead and bronze up the face with that. Next up is blush, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the Flower Beauty Sweet Pea blush. Super pretty color. This is one of my favorites from the drugstore. I just think it's so pretty. So as for highlight, I'm going to go ahead and use the Makeup Revolution Soph X highlighter palette. This is only $12, you guys. I've raved about this quite a bit on my channel, and it has very quickly become my favorite drugstore highlighting palette. So I'm just going to kind of mix these top shades right here and put that on the cheekbones. Alright guys, so I think my camera stopped recording. So if you guys did not see, for the lower lash line, I went ahead and basically mixed Wiser 500 and Strike It and did kind of like a gradient, lightest to darkest on the outer edge. So that's what I did with the lower lash line, and I added Strike It to the crease to deepen it up a bit. So now I'm going to go ahead and go in with the lid shade, and for that I'm going to be using the Essence Metal Shock eyeshadow in the shade Solar Explosion. Beautiful gold shade. I'll go ahead and swatch it real quick for you guys. Look at how gorgeous that is. Like, oh, so pretty. So like I said before, I'm kind of gonna do like a little bit of a cut crease. I mean, not too precise or anything, but yeah, I'm just gonna put this on the lid. Alright, so there is the eyeshadow. I'm just going to put some liquid liner on. I'm going to use the Essence Super Last Matte Eyeliner. I love this. It's so good, you guys, and it's like $4, so I highly recommend it. Super black and very precise, and it does not transfer, nor does the Super Shock shadow. So really love those two. And I'm just going to do some quick liner. So I just did a little kind of baby wing. So now I'm going to go ahead and throw on some mascara on my bottom lashes, and then I'm going to go ahead and be extra and add some lashes to this look. So for this look, I'm going to be using the Kiss Ever Easy lashes in the shade, or in the style number 11. These are like my favorite drugstore lashes. So yeah, just gonna throw those on and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so this is pretty much the finished look. Just to finish it off, I'm going to top it off with a little bit of Colourpop Fairy Floss Gloss. Just a very like pale nude gloss, and I felt like that was kind of needed since we have kind of a lot going on the eyes. So I think this is just gonna look beautiful, and I feel like you can never go wrong with a glossy lid. Guys, so this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and definitely let me know if you guys try this out for back to school or for any occasion. I would love to know. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!